Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. In this video, you will learn how to wash jeans clothes in IFB washing machine here. This is the IFB washing machine with a capacity of 6.5 kg fully automatic machine in our home. We have purchased. If you didn't purchase this IFB washing machine, we are giving it in the product link. You can purchase. Okay. Suppose if you are existing user of IFB washing machine, and if you are searching for how to wash jeans clothes, yes, you have option in this machine. Okay. Let's see how to do it. First of all, you go to switch on and the main power to your washing machine. Okay, after switching on your washing machine, then what you got to do is you got to just one press this power button so that power will be turning on. Okay, turning on to your machine. Okay, so power on is completed, and then you got to put jeans cloth into your washing machine. This is top load washing machine. Just open this lid and just put the cloths here. Okay, so total weight of the cloth should not exceed 6.5 kg for better performance. Okay, so I take one cloth, okay, and put this is second one, then this is third one. This is very dirty cloth. 3 jeans pant I have used. Up to 5 jeans pant you can use. Okay, if you don't have any jeans pant, and if you would like to add normal pant with more dirt, yes, that too you can put here. Okay, so after putting all required cloths, you have to use any washing machine liquid. Here I am going to use a Ariel Matic liquid top load. Okay, you can use one bottle. Okay, because it is hard cloth. Okay, so I am taking this full bottle and pour it into the washing machine. Okay, before that, make sure that you have enough water in the water tank of your home. Now, after adding washing machine liquid, or you can use washing machine powder, okay, now close the lid, or you can open, keep it open until you start this. Okay, so first you go to select the mode here. That is the important. Okay, as you have put all jeans pant into your machine for washing, you go to use this knob to select the particular mode. So it is actually in smart sense. Okay, you go to now power has gone in our home. Yes, power has come now, and if suppose power has gone in between, after turning on this power button, main switch will be always turned on. Okay, after that, okay, then again you go to press this power button. Okay, then only it will turn on. Okay, see the lighting here, and it is in smart sense. So first you go to select here jeans. Okay, yes, jeans has been selected, and see the timing here. It is more than 1 hour, and after that press start button. Okay, and your machine will take water from the tank. Okay, yes, water is also coming, and after that close it. Okay, if enough water is not coming here, if you notice it, just you have to fill up the tank. Okay, fill up the tank with enough water, and then start your machine. Okay, close it. Okay, At any time you can open. Okay, open this lid. Okay. Yes, machine is taking water, and washing will be a cyclic process, and within 1 and 16 minutes, 1 hour 60 minutes, washing will be done completely, and after that machine will be automatically alert you with a pop sound, and it will be switching off after that, and you can take out of the cloths, that is jeans cloths here, and you can make them to dry. Okay, that's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.